What do Dwayne Johnson, Taylor Swift, and Robert Downey Jr. have in common? Whenever they enter a room, everyone likes them. If you're an introvert and want to have their level of confidence in your life, today's video will be very helpful for you. I'll share 5 social secrets that will help you instantly attract people. Wherever you go, people will start liking you, and a positive aura will draw them towards you. I'm not going to teach you to be a fake person, people-pleasing, or manipulation. Instead, I'll share simple things you can build into your personality so that naturally, you can attract people whether you're going to a party or a job interview. If people get a positive vibe from you, you'll have an edge. Even if you don't have any special skills, people will notice your strong personality. Let me explain this with a simple example. Consider a company where 2 people work. The first is John, who is very introverted and keeps to himself, and the second is Noah, who is very extroverted and talks to everyone. John doesn't talk much but is very good at his job, while Noah is average but talks and laughs with everyone. When it's time for a promotion, who do you think will get it first? Obviously, Noah, because he talks to his team, is close to his manager, and is noticed by his boss. In real life, this is what happens. Good workers often go unnoticed because they don't know how to talk. This is how power dynamics and social skills play a major role. So, without any delay, let's start with point number 1. Win the inner game. If you want people to like you, you need to win the battles within yourself first. You need to stop worrying about what others think of you. Don't let nervousness take over. You might have noticed that when you feel nervous, you think everyone is looking at you. It's not necessary to give an interesting input in every conversation. This only makes you overthink and distance yourself from the moment. The trick here is to care less. Follow the 5-second rule. Before doing anything, just count down from 5 to 1 and throw yourself into the conversation. Don't think about what people will say. Live in the present. Focus more on what the other person is saying. Listen to them actively, not to respond, and if you have nothing to say, remain silent. Silence makes people uncomfortable and makes them feel insecure, thinking they might have said too much. This simple trick brings dominance and superiority in you. Remember to practice these things from the first time you meet someone because first impressions always matter. Point number 2, eye contact. Your eyes say a lot without words. Strong eye contact creates trust and comfort in the other person. How to maintain strong eye contact? Keep your eyes calm and relaxed. Use the 80-20 rule. Maintain eye contact 80 of the time and glance around 20 of the time. When you're talking, hold eye contact a bit longer to convey your message confidently and grasp their attention. When listening, maintain less eye contact to show you're processing their words. Another simple thing is to smile with your eyes. When you smile with your eyes, you appear authentic, genuinely happy for the other person, and very friendly. People will naturally find you approachable and feel that you're someone who will listen to them. Point number 3, civility. Offering a seat, helping someone, using words like please, excuse me, and thank you, or giving random compliments create a positive atmosphere around you. You appear confident, polite, humble, and respectful. It shows you care about others. When you make others feel important, their confidence boosts, and they reciprocate with the same positive attitude. A simple trick, always use their name in conversation. People love hearing their name. This makes them feel at ease and comfortable, showing that you care about them. Note this down and try it regularly. Point number 4, handle insults smoothly. If someone criticizes or insults you and you become defensive or angry, it shows you're insecure about their comment, revealing your weak point. Instead of reacting, show that the comment doesn't affect you. Stay calm, maintain your composure, and respond with humor, lightening the mood. This action proves you're secure with yourself and can't be easily provoked. This is a very attractive personality trait. Point number 5, listen more and talk less. Some people have the habit of turning every conversation towards themselves. You might have a friend like this. They talk so much about themselves that they miss what the other person is saying. Most of the time, when someone tells you their problems, they only want you to listen, not respond. They don't want you to comment or start talking about your problems. Stop making everything about yourself. Instead, actively listen and try to build a genuine connection. Show some interest in others' lives. Understand their perspectives. You'll gain a broader perspective on everything. Self-investment and goals. When you work on yourself, no matter what's happening around you, your focus never wavers. You show determination and confidence that you prioritize yourself, and no one can break that discipline. People with high emotional intelligence balance their emotions and goals. You become a passionate person, which creates curiosity and admiration in others. You develop a positive mindset, attracting people who see you handle challenges gracefully, turning negatives into positives with humor, and inspiring others to be like you. For example, look at Robert Downey Jr. When he talks in interviews, he exudes self-confidence. He says, "I'm the best at what I do." This isn't arrogance or pride, it's self-confidence. He doesn't care about others' opinions. That's the difference between being assertive and aggressive. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and groups. We'll see you in a new video soon. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.